Willis. Oh, come on back up. Willis was just doing a cute little happy dance. Yeah, we're at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Willis likes to pose with one foot up in the air. You are a gorgeous guy. Yes, you are, Willis. Can we do that pose again? Willis is only about a year old. Very affectionate, very outgoing. Just wants petting, petting, petting. So curious. You just don't miss a trick, do you? Oh, is somebody over there? Hi. Oh, Willis, what a cutie you are. Yeah. Oh dear, I'm not paying enough attention to you, so you gotta scratch your neck on the shelf, huh? Okay, Willis, I'll put the camera down, pay attention to you. Bye-bye. You're gonna give me that little happy dance, though? That little one foot in the air pose that you like to do? Hi, Willis. Bye-bye. You're not going to do it now, are you? Not with the camera on. Okay. Oh. There you go. There you go. You're going to do it? You're a funny guy. Bye, Willis.